Hello friends, welcome to Shivani tutorial. In this video, I am going to share a very unique and easy method to make a fancy hairstyle. First of all, separate some front hairs with the comb. Now, take some hair from the back side and roll them and give a puff shape. Tuck these hairs with the help of hairpin. Loose these hairs to make a beautiful puff look. Take the front hairs and start making French braid. Come to the downwards hairs and keep on making French braid. Here I am holding the front hairs, also adding the down hairs and making a complete French braid. Bend this French braid towards the left hand side. See? This is how our complete French braid is done. Here I am using white pearls to decorate the hairstyle. You can use any other fancy clip to make this hairstyle more beautiful. So friends, this is how our very easy and unique hairstyle is done. Do like, share and comment. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe the channel.